Alright, hey everyone, we have the CN 492 coming from the tunnel from Michigan into Sarnia, Ontario, where we are at, or I am at the Sarnia via station. He should be coming over on the second track, track 2, or South Track 1 they call. Starting to get a little windy out, colder and windy. I think it's about probably, -2 right now. And the wind's picking up to about 40, 45. For wind gusts, that is. Probably sustained about 20. But we have no snow on the ground here yet. I know you leave Sarnia about 10 minutes and there's a little bit of snow on the ground. But we don't get it as often as what just outside of town does. They get probably 10 times the amount of snow every winter. Just 10-15 minutes at a time. They're in the snow belt. We are not. Not so much anyway. Where we are is right at the bottom tip corner of, right at the bottom of Lake Huron. Seen a snow flurry go by, so maybe I spoke too soon. Nah. We are supposed to get rain, I think, tomorrow, and then a little bit of snow coming in. Today's been pretty dead for trains. I've been here since about 1 and this is only my 4th. And 3 of them have been in the last 2 hours. And it's 7:30? 8 o'clock maybe? Don't be one of these trains. These are the worst. 10-minute trains just get to 2 miles an hour. Sometimes even stopping. These are my worst. This is one of the things, one of the bad things about coming to this spot to Railfan. Trains are a lot longer going by. Probably average 5 to 7 minutes here. Sometimes they can be 15 to 20. You go just out of town and everything's 2-3 minutes max. Not as bad in the summer, but the winter time it gets really chilly out here. Another minute or two and I might have to cut this. Starting to not feel my fingers. And yes, I'm wearing mitts. Not very good ones, but I need to be able to work the controls on the camera. I do wear a heated vest, but that doesn't help my hands. Another 2 months from now, this temperature will feel like spring. It'll get a lot colder. Actually, next week it's going to get a lot colder. I think we're supposed to only be about -5 to -10 most of the days. A long one. I'm going to start easing my way down inside the station here. This camera is not as stable as my GoPro, of course, but still better than most. I have regular video cameras and they'd be bouncing all over the place, but this one's not bad. Like I said, it's not a GoPro for stability, but long train. I think this is gonna be my last, I think, today. It's too cold, especially for these slow ones. Should just put the tripod out, set it up, aim it and leave it, go sit back in my van, but I like to be able to move around and follow and commentate a bit, and I don't just like to just aim it, point and leave it. Alrighty, I think that's our end is coming up. Another 6-7 more cars. Whew. And if that ain't the end, it's going to be. I think it is.